Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Mary's behind the camera. Let's get to it. This is our LG washer. We pulled it out today because we're going to do some water hammer maintenance. We think we have a problem. We've got two water hammer arrestors on each line for our wash machine, and it seems like we're getting a lot of water hammer lately. So what we're going to do is, we thought about it and we did a little research. We're going to turn off our water, which I've already done. We're going to disconnect our washer lines and we're going to let these things bleed out. And we think what may have happened is that water might have gotten up into the water hammer lines and displaced the air. So we're getting a little more water hammer in the plumbing system than we should. We have Uponor plumbing, so it's a very flexible PEX type plumbing. So these things move around, so you'll see them moving. It's nothing to be alarmed about. But we just don't want the water hammer going through the system. So we're going to see if we can rejuvenate these by draining out the water and letting air come back into them. So let's hit it. Well, first I'm going to cut the zip tie for the drain line. And then I'm just going to crack these. All right, I'm sure we're going to get water running all over the place, so we'll get ready here. Wow, look at that, honey. You see when I tap this thing, you see the water coming out? I do. So maybe that's the water coming out of the hammers. And maybe air is getting back up into those water hammers. The water hammer arrestors. I should call them water hammer arrestors. We're going to hook this back up and then we'll try it again. I tighten them up just enough to seal, and then a little more. I don't go crazy. Some people crank the heck out of these things. It's not necessary. Okay. All right, we're going to zip tie this drain line. And we don't have to have this super tight. We just need to provide a path of resistance so this thing doesn't just pop out. That's done. Now I'm going to go turn the water on, and we're going to fire up the washer, and let's see if we can't monitor whether our water hammer arrestors are working better. Okay, so we're just waiting now to see if we're, here we go. Come on in closer, Mary. You can see the hoses, and you can see that it sounds better, doesn't it?
It does sound better.
And it feels better, too. But right now, it's just the cold water that's running. It's got a lot more cushion than it had. I think we fixed it.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Who knew that something so simple as disassembling the hoses here and getting the water out and letting air get back up into the water hammer arrestors would make such a difference and fix the plumbing problem? I don't know if it'll work for you guys, but it worked for us. So until the next video, hey, please like and subscribe if you got value out of it, and we'll see you next time.